Hey lovelies, join me as I unbox my new content creation accessories. So I decided to upgrade, a little because 2024 we intend to take this content creation thing to the next level. You know what I'm talking about. So here's the story behind the whole thing. So I was scrolling through Instagram and I stumbled on KB Global Communication. So I went to her page and I checked out the things she was selling, and I realized she had most of the things I needed at a very good price. To be honest, the prices were okay. The prices were affordable and good. So I was like, should I trust this person? So I sent her a message and told her I'd like to order the influencer light and the study tripod stand, and she was like, yeah, she could deliver today. I was like, today? I'm just ordering. And guess what, she had the option for pay on delivery. I thought she was joking. In my mind, I'm like, why would you have that kind of offer in Lagos here? You're doing pay on delivery. So I was like, okay fine,